We are room 410 at room 173. Now, as you can see, the lobby's right there. And then this is the room. It is an inside virtual view cabin. And as you walk in, there's your thermostat. They have this key card in there already and the light switch. And it is a connecting room to the next room beside us. You got a full-length mirror. You got a nice closet, nice long closet for dresses. And then you have your safe and your other shelves. And then you have a few drawers here. And they're easy close. And then you have the bathroom. What I like about this is at night it has a little night light that stays on. So, nice shower, nice roomy shower. Some shelves, your toilet, the sink, and then your towels. And I took some pictures, I'll have to add that in, of a daytime. This is nighttime, what the virtual window looks like. It's a very long cabin. You have your mirror, your desk. It's got some ports here for you and then 2 plug-ins. This room has a kettle for water and your TV, I have to move this here. Your TV pulls out to the side, so you can't really see it from bed. So I'll show you the rest of the drawers here. You have a little mini fridge cooler. Some more drawers, Kleenex, hairdryer, some more stuff. And your bed, this side has a plug-in and the light switch and some shelves. And as you can see, that's how the TV, Mike, can you pull the TV out for me? That's what the TV looks like from the bed. It's not very good. You can't see it that well. You can't read the menu very well. So if you like watching TV on your cruise, I would not suggest this room. The other side has no plug-in for your phone. It also doesn't have the main light switch to turn off the main lights in the room. Thank you, and please like and subscribe and continue watching for more room tours and other videos. Bye for now. This is what the virtual window looks like in the daytime, and this is what the bathroom nightlight looks like at night. Please hit the notification button because I'll be putting up more videos of our Quantum of the Seas cruise and our night eating at Wonderland. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It's free for you and it helps me grow my channel. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more, or go back and watch some of my older ones. Thanks again.